making it. What does that mean to you? For most, it means more money, or more time, or more freedom, because the rat race is real. But if you're going to make a change, if you're going to make it, it's going to cost. Everything costs. Everything has a price, and that price may mean more money, or more time, or both. But yes, everything costs, meaning you have to give up something or do something to change things. Now, some of you who may be more spiritual may be thinking, well, God doesn't require anything, but even the source requires your devotion. So if you're going to spend your time and a little money to change things, make sure it's worthwhile. Make sure it's worth it and will deliver. In the area of online businesses, there is a program that will deliver if you invest the time and, yes, a little money to get started. So, are you ready to make the change? Are you ready to do what other successful people have done to make it? This online business will give you the tools, the resources, and supportive community you need to get there. Click like and follow, and click the link in my bio to get the information.